guys, today I'm going to be trading only puppets and dimples with my brother. Okay, so what will you offer first? Okay, so for both of them, I'll give you this puppet and this Among Us Simple Dimple. Will you accept?
It helps the speaker lead his audience
Okay.
into the scene he describes
Okay, I'll offer this Among Us Simple
by
Dimple.
creating an imaginary
Okay.
picture.
Okay, what will
Usually
you
it's something
offer?
that moves.
Maybe this puppet? Okay, can I offer for that teal square puppet? Just this one. So we don't want it. Fine. Please can offer for it. Please. Yes. Okay, so for that puppet, I'll give you this bear. And maybe this simple dimple. And no, this is one of my favorite puppets.
Character.
No. Will you no. I'm not going to trade this. Will you accept? Oh my god, guys, he's actually going to offer it, and he's offering a simple dimple with it as well. So, I'll give you this really, really good bear. Listen. Now listen to the other side. So, I'll offer this bear, this simple dimple. Guys, I don't really want to keep offering it. And I can't really offer anything else, so except for that. Really? Yay!
Get scammed.
What? Okay, this is my last offer now, and I'll offer. Which one? I think I'm going to offer this puppet. Okay, so this is my last trade, and I think I'm going to offer this whale. It glows in the dark. Come on, that's not worth this. Maybe next time.
No, I'll put that back, and I'll just give you 2 puppets.
Sorry, I'm gonna decline.
I'll give you another puppet.
Nope, decline.
Another
Sorry.
puppet.
Bye, guys.